Are you a local service business owners? Struggle to get enough calls and consistent calls from Google Ads? Many businesses like cleaning, plumbing, HVAC, roofing, and pest control, they spend on money but not get enough real customers from these ads. This happens because of wrong targeting, wrong keywords, and weak landing pages. I help local service businesses to improve their Google Ads campaign and generate high quality local leads. I focus on high intent keywords, better ad targeting, accurate targeted locations, conversion optimization, and landing page optimization. I also prepare free website audit and landing page suggestion before starting. If you want more calls and better result from your Google Ads result, feel free to message me.